welcome to Crystal Crafts with Dee. Today I'd like to show you a couple more Diamond Dotz diamond paintings that I got from dotsdirect.com.au. He sent these out so quick I couldn't believe how fast I got them. I ordered them on Monday and it's Thursday and I got them this morning. I was really impressed with that because I thought that ordering before Christmas I wasn't going to get it in time. And wow, he express posted it and sent it out immediately, and I am so thankful that he did that. That was really excellent customer service. They're a great company to buy from. So without further ado, I have two diamond paintings. One's larger than the other. One is an intermediate and the other one is an advanced level. So I'll start off with my intermediate, which is Fox Bliss. Gosh, can't even say it. Fox Bliss. This one's an intermediate. These Diamond Dotz diamond paintings come in these beautiful boxes, and they're great protection for your kit inside and your canvas, so your canvases don't get all smooshed. And it's nice. It's a lovely packaging. I love how they show you on the front the actual drilled product. I like that. You know what you're getting when you see it. I love that. Also with these boxes, on the side here, this side shows you the actual image and it also shows you the design size and the canvas size. And then on the other side, you've got the drill area as well as how many colors and how many drills are in your kit. So this one has 23 colors in it. So let's have a look. So yes, this is a partial. Finger in it. So you've got your canvas and you've got your drills. So your drills come neatly packaged, and I love how it tells you on the outside of the packet the name of the design or canvas and their code, Diamond Dotz code. Love that. So your canvas comes in plastic tubing wrap, protected even more. Just getting that out of the plastic. Okay. I might turn it that way. So in all your kits you get color instructions, and it's in several languages, which is very handy. Let's have a look at this canvas. I just saw this and I thought, oh my god, that is so precious. I so have to have it. I absolutely love the background. It's just so gorgeous. It is so beautiful. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So your design size, so it prints it down the bottom there. So Fox Bliss, your design size is 42 by 50 centimeters and your fabric size is 50 by 58 centimeters. You have your typical scalloped edging on your canvas. Canvas is very pliable and it's a nice feel to it. I love these canvases. I love Diamond Dotz. They're just so good to work with. It's just that bit of quality. I love that. Also, they do your symbol key down two sides. Makes it a little bit easier for you. So what I might do is actually show you how sticky it is. So it's very sticky. Love that. And I'll bring up the canvas a bit closer so you can have a bit of a look with great difficulty. There you go. So your drill field is actually very clear. Very easy to read. There's no blurring of your symbols. It's just nice. I love the background. Isn't that so beautiful? Bit of watercolor background. And your symbol key there is... So you've got your symbols. I'm not a fan of symbols, but they're also color-coded, and I'm a big fan of that. So it's just easy to see. Easy to work out. Love it. So that's my beautiful fox. Alright, let's have a look at those drills. So in your packet you have your drills, and you also have your drill kit. So in your drill kit you have your drill tray, your drill pen, your wax in a screw top container, and you also have some Ziploc bags, and you have a comfort grip in your toolkit. So your drills, they are just gorgeous. I love Diamond Dotz drills. Putting over there. They're just well cut, they're uniform, the facets, they just really catch that light and really sparkle. So that first color there is a white AB, so it's got an extra coating on it with extra zing. This is very pretty. They just sparkle. Gorgeous. And you got some browns. Beautiful. And you've got, what else have we got? Got some grays and some purple. Look at that, just beautiful shine. Oop. Got some yellow and some light pink. And some peach colors. Very pretty. So there you go, there's my Fox Bliss. That is just going to look so beautiful. It's so precious. Jeez, I love that. Alright, on to the next one. Look them all in there. Oops. So my next one is Father Snow. I know it said the size and everything, but I kind of envisioned it a little bit smaller, so I was pleasantly surprised that it was much bigger. This one is an advanced Father Snow. Again, it shows you on the box what he looks like. Big fan of that. So on the side of your box, you have your drill field, and you also have your number of colors, which is 35. And I think there's a huge amount of drill, yeah, nearly 23,000 drills. That's amazing, isn't it? On the other side, you have your actual image and your fabric size and your drill size, your thingy, you know, your design size. Woohoo, got it. So let's go have a look, see what's in here. Okay, we've got your drills. And your canvas. Again, in your plastic sleeve. And your drills. Father Snow. Put them over there. Okay. Put it in that way. Hopefully I can get most of it in there. Again, your instruction sheet. Wow. Like I said, I thought this was a little bit smaller, so I was like, wow, look how big that is. That's awesome. Very happy with that. I absolutely love the trees in the background. So it is a partial, and the trees in the background look just beautiful. It's very effective, gives you that lovely 3D look. So if I can get him around that way. So your design size is 50 by 62 centimeters, and your fabric size is 58 by 70 centimeters. You have 35 colors, and again, they do have your symbol key on 2 places, one on the bottom, one on the top. Do my glue test. Yep, she's sticky. And I'll just bring her up a little bit closer so you can have a look at the symbol key. So again, color coded, easy to see, very easy to see. There's your drill field. Very clear. And of course it's too big. Anyway, you can see what. You see that? I love those trees. God, don't they look good? Very good effect. I can't wait to see this done because it's really just going to be really gorgeous. It's going to be shimmery and shiny. Gorgeous. There we go. And again, with these scalloped edges. Very pretty. Let's have a look at those drills. Oh. Well, over there. Alright, so you've got your standard drill kit. Just like before, you have your drill pen. You've got your wax in a screw top container and your comfort grip for your drill pen and some Ziploc bags and your drills. I love the colors. It just looks awesome. Really pretty colors. Come over there and we'll start off with these guys. There you go. So you got some lovely browns and some creams. Brown. So you've got this one here, this cream, it is AB coating. So you've got some extra sparkle. On the snowman, that would be pretty awesome. And some grays. Lots of sparkle. Good quality, very uniform. Good quality. And you got some beiges and some oranges. And some grays. More grays. More grays. This one, you got some lovely dark red there. Love that. Nice reds. Ooh. And you've got that green there is an AB, so a bit more sparkle in the leaves and that. And beigey brown. So they're beautiful colors. They're going to be so cool. Don't know if I'll get this done before Christmas, but I'll give it a darn good shot. So that is my father's snow. It's too big for the camera. But I love that. Oh boy, that's going to be so much fun to do. Father Snow. Beautiful. So that's my my order from dotzdirect.com.au. Like I said, they're so good to deal with. A really good company based in Australia. And Diamond Dotz. Good quality, what can you say? So they're my favourite canvases to work on, actually. So there you go. There are my 2 diamond paintings I got today. I was very, very excited. I couldn't wait to show you. And I'll be even more excited to get stuck into them tonight. So thank you so much for watching my unboxing video. And I will be bringing both these diamond paintings to you as a work in progress through to the finished product a bit further on down the track. So stay tuned for that one. And I will catch you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.